Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about BTech Engineering Mathematics. Earlier we will discuss about some important points on the differential equation and order and degree. Some more problems we will discuss today class. Problems order and degree. How can find order and degree? So these two models are very important for GATE examination point of view, right? So coming to the first one, d cube by dx cube whole square plus 4 into root over dy by dx whole square plus y square is equal to 0 is a problem. How can find order and degree? So first of all, this problem is having a radical is there, root is there. First of all, to eliminating the root, that is d cube y by dx cube whole square is equal to minus of 4 into dy by dx whole square plus y square whole power 1 by root 2. Because we can transform it right side, minus of 1. Squaring on both sides, d cube y by dx cube whole square is equal to 16 into dy by dx whole square plus y square. This is nothing but this one. A power m whole power m raised to the power of m d square d cube y by dx cube whole power 4 is equal to 16 into dy by dx whole square plus y square. This is the ordinary equation. This order is here first order, second order, third order only. Order is 3, degrees is 4. This is the question is 2017 GATE examination in mechanical branch only. Right? Coming to the second one, this is a direct problem only. This is the ordinary differential equation y double dash plus y dash whole cube plus y power 4 is equal to e power minus t. Directly second derivative is there. Order is 2 and the degree is associated with highest power. Its degree is power 1 only. Because of this power 1 only. Therefore degree is 1. So some more problems. Y is equal to e power dy by dx. Actually e power x is an Maclaurin expansion 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. So this is the Maclaurin expansion of the e power x. So dy by dx is actually y is equal to dy by dx is a differential equation. We can apply the e power x replaced only dy by dx, that is 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 by 2 into dy by dx whole square plus 1 by 3 factorial into dy by dx whole cube, like that. This is the order is first order is there. Order is 1. Degree is here the power is 1, this power is 2, this power is 3. Therefore degrees cannot be determined, not defined only. As similarly y is equal to sine of d square y by dx square. Again a Maclaurin expansion. X minus means here sine of x is equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus and so on. So similarly x replaced only d square by dx square minus dy by dx d square by dx square whole power 3 into 1 by 3 factorial plus and so on. Therefore order is only 2. Degree is not defined. So therefore the order and degree of any differential equation, order is defined, definitely is depending on the equation only, but degree is only not defined whenever exponential function or trigonometric function or logarithmic function is not defined for degree of the differential equation. So next concept is formation of differential equation. There are several models are there. Formation of differential equation, right? So this is the new concept of the formation of differential equation. There are 3 or 4 models are there. So model number 1. Model 1. When y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus the formation of differential equation. The model 1 is y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. So therefore, how you can solve the differential equation? How to form the differential equation? The equation having two constants c1 and c2 there. Therefore, here first of all, first derivative y dash is equal to 2 into c1 e power 2x plus 3 into c2 e power 3x only. So by using 1 and 2, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, you can multiply with the 3, equation 3. Therefore, subtracting immediately, this is cancel only, that is 3y minus y dash is equal to, this is 3c1 means c1 e power 2x, c1 e power 2x. That is again this is equation 3, differentiating again derivative, that is 3y dash minus y double dash is equal to 2c1 into e power 2x. So c1 into e power 2x from 3, replace that, this is nothing but this is equal to 2 into 3y minus y dash. So that implies this is equal to 3y dash minus y double dash minus 6y minus plus only 2y dash is equal to 0. So completely the equation is y double dash minus 5y dash plus 6y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the differential equation. This is the derivation of the differential equation only. Actually, this is the original model of the differential equation. How can find the formation of differential equation? By eliminating constants c1 and c2. This is a practical method for this one. For how can apply the computative method is, so for this model is given, because of this solution is a more time taking problem only. For computative orientation only, how we can solve this one? So there are roots are 2 comma 3. This is the we are finding the roots 2 comma 3. Whenever alpha comma beta are the roots, then the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta index plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is, how many constants are there? 2 constants y double dash minus sum of roots. Here 2 plus 3 is 5y dash plus 2 into 3 is 6y is equal to 0. We are getting a solution of the differential equation only. So this is the when problem is given, immediately we can write the solution immediately like this by using a quadratic equation form. Suppose second example, y is equal to c1 e power 3x plus c2 e power 5x. So what are the roots? 2, 3 comma 5. So therefore, how many constants are there? Y double dash, 2 constants are there. That is a minus of sum of roots, that is 3 plus 5 is 8 of y plus 3 into 5 15 is equal to 15y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the equation, our formation of differential equation. That means there are 2 constants are there. We will begin with y double dash. Sum of roots is 8. Product of roots is 15. That is y double dash minus 8y dash plus 15 is equal to 0. Another is model 2. Model 2. Suppose y is equal to c1 plus c2. So model number 2. Suppose y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of 4x. So how we can solve that model by using again a technique. So what are the roots? This is can be c1 e power 4x plus c2 x into e power 4x. You can multiply with this one only, right? What are the roots? The roots are 4 comma 4. Therefore again technique is y double dash minus 4 plus 4 is 8 of y plus 4 into 4 16 y here y dash and 16 y is equal to 0. That is, how can apply the roots? Then 4 the roots are there, repeated roots only, y double dash minus 8 into y dash plus 16 y is equal to 0. And the second one, this is the second model is first problem and second problem. Y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e power minus 5x. What are the roots? Minus 5 comma minus 5. What are the roots? Minus 5 comma minus 5. How can write the equation? Y double dash minus. Here minus of minus plus only. This is a 10 of y dash and plus 15 y, not 15, 5 into 5, 25, 25 y is equal to 0 only. This is our solution of the equation only. Suppose model 3, y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is the equation is there, c1 cos 2x plus sin 2x. Therefore, how can write the equation roots is plus or minus 2i only, because of whenever exponent function e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the Euler function only. So cos theta plus I sin theta. By model of that one, we are taking the roots is plus or minus 2i. Again is alpha and beta. Therefore, y double dash minus sum of roots plus 2i minus 2i into y dash plus product of roots 2i into minus 2i of y is equal to 0. Implies y double dash plus 2y minus 2y of y dash plus 2i into minus 2i, it is become it is 0 y dash. Here plus I into I square minus 1, these are plus only, plus 4y equal to 0. The final answer is y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0 is the final answer only. So these are the models for the finding a formation of differential equation. So some more models we will discuss next class. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you.